The Honda Beat. This car has put me through the ringer mechanically and has been a pain in my ass every step of the way. So far we've done an OEM top replacement, washer jets, spark plug, oil change, new battery, new fuel pump, drained the gas, put new gas, and had to remove every single panel imaginable to get to the ECU just to find out the components were fried. Well, here we are today, a working ECU from Yahoo Auctions. Let's get this done. Brought it over here. There it is. Took the screws out. Here we go. Haven't even opened it yet. Okay. Good. These little guys right here, these are called resistors. They slow the flow of electricity for one reason or another. Really clean. So let's plug it in and without further ado, let's get going. So here we are. The defining day. We're gonna charge up the battery first off because we don't want there to be any variables of maybe it's the battery that is not fully able to crank. So we're gonna charge this up. We're gonna get all our ducks in a row before we turn the key today. So let us proceed. This is the ECU we showed you guys upstairs. We're gonna plug it in. Finally, the paneling looks completely different. All right, hold on. We just want to tell you one thing about not Shopify in general, but our Shopify at SushiCars. If you want any of the things you see in these videos, like toe straps, subway handles, JDM flares, or anything else, we have it on our Shopify store. And if there's something you don't see, we can get it for you. So head over to SushiCars Shopify and grab some JDM merch or even these cars themselves today. ECU. Plugged in. I'm gonna just say this real quick. I'm not even joking. If this doesn't fix the problem, I give up. And this doesn't come out of stubbornness. This doesn't come out of childishness. I have done every single thing on this car that would lead it to start. I have fixed the air, the gas, the spark, everything. The compression is fine. We have all new parts. There's no reason mechanically it should not start. So if this doesn't fix it, we're sending it to a dealership, and unfortunately I'm not joking. Please let this fix it. I'm a good person. I donate. Come on. I swear to God. That's it. Yeah, I'm done.